Hello guys, welcome back to Past GPT, and this is the second episode of a whole Java tutorial series I'm gonna do, so subscribe to stay tuned. And if you haven't watched my first video, I will link it right now somewhere on the page. Please go watch the first video, or if you already have IntelliJ and Java installed, you don't need to watch the first video, so we can just start from here. So first, in the first video, you copied my code and it worked, but copying doesn't make you a developer, sadly. You have to know and understand why things work. So today we're going to discuss how all this works. So what are all this? What even is this? The first time I saw this, I was really scared. It's like, what is this? Doesn't make any sense. Well, it's going to make sense after this video. So first of all, think of the first class. So public class hello. I touched on this in the last video a bit, but your Java class name must be the same name as the file. So the name of this file here is hello.java. So we must have a public class hello inside the file. First of all, that's the first thing. So if you have a file name main or anything, A1, B7. Let's say our file name is B7. So inside the file, the first thing we should have is a public class B7 because Java works with classes. So yeah. Then what's this whole plenty thing? This is like an ignition to Java. It tells Java that this is where you run this. So we don't need to so you just tell Java to run this. So we should always put this if we want to run something. Because Java, as I said, Java is a object-based language. So it's not every file that you're gonna want to run. Some files, most files are just helper for the main file. So and that the main file is the one you're gonna run. You're gonna want to run basically. So this public says allows Java to run the file because it says, oh, make this whole class public. Then static means it is not a helper, that is the main file. Then void means it returns void, it returns nothing. Then main, it must always be main with a small letter M. So when you have main there, so main makes it run. Main tells Java, go here and run that. That's what it does. Then system.out. System.out means the terminal. So the terminal here, this whole thing right here is the terminal. So system.out means go to the terminal, print line. So go to the terminal, print line, hello world. So it's going to print whatever you put inside the two brackets. It's going to print whatever I put here. So if I put 2 here and print, it's going to print it out to the terminal. Exactly. So the next thing is I want to give you a simple task that you could do to just test your knowledge. So I want you to print out your name, your age, and your hobby on 3 different lines. Pause the video, do the work, and I'll show you the answer in a few seconds. So I hope you pause the video. So it's a really simple task. So I'm going to print my name as GPT. Then my age, 100. I'm 100 years old. And you must always end every statement with a semicolon. That's very important in Java, or your code won't run. Your code won't compile. Name, age, and hobby. My hobby is programming, so system.out.println programming. Then run this code and see if it prints out. It did print out on 3 different lines, so that's the correct solution to the simple task I gave you. So you just wrote your first custom program in Java. Next up, we'll make it dynamic using variables. See you in the next video, and subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. See you guys.